When the application is launched, the first screen that appears is the schedule screen. The schedule screen helps you to organize and track your bids by providing a number of useful fields arranged in columns. Some of the notable fields are the bid due date, which helps us to keep track of when our bids are due, and so on. The job name and job number helps us to identify and manage the bids. We can view the last save date and the last save bid price. We have the status type field, which helps us to categorize a bid into any number of status types, such as pending, first, second, or other. These status types are supposed to represent the position of the bid relative to competitors. Totals of the status types can be tracked and viewed at the bottom of the screen. Fields with a yellow background denote read-only values. Fields with white backgrounds are editable and can have items, such as notes, entered directly into them. From the schedule screen, we can start a new job by clicking the New Job icon from the toolbar. The first dialog that appears asks if you wish to copy a database. In this instance, we will select No and proceed. The new job dialog appears when we will need to enter a job name and number, as well as select a database and folder in which to place the file. When a new job is launched, the first screen to appear is the Job Information screen. If you look to the bottom of the screen, you will see all the tabs that represent each of the screens that comprise the estimating application. These tabs, or screens, are arranged to be navigated through from left to right. Each screen can be accessed by clicking on each tab. The workflow is to continue until eventually arriving at the final price screen located here. The Job Information screen helps you to keep track of the contact, bid, and file information necessary to successfully complete the job. These areas in the Job Information screen provide us a way to log the bid due date and time, enter relevant site and client addresses, categorize the types of jobs, and record who estimated the job, define the estimated duration of the project, and lastly, link to associated files and files folders. The next screen is the Notes screen. To navigate to it, simply click the tab labeled Notes. The Notes screen is a place to record relevant comments or reminders. The Notes screen is a simple text editor with some limited formatting ability. Here, you can make any relevant notations as shown. You can use field codes as shown here. When you use field codes in this screen, the program replaces the field code with the appropriate value when the notes are printed.